been getting saved. Today I brought, bro, how do you pronounce it again? Because I know I'm gonna sound stupid. How do you pronounce the powder coating? How do you pronounce your last name?
Stolsteimer.
Stolsteimer. Stolsteimer powder coating came to the rescue, and also so did Shimmy. Shimmy's a little lazy piece of crap that has not worked on his DE for a long time. He blew it, but he twin turboed it. He's gonna do big things, but yeah. So he came to the rescue to fix my caliper because apparently one of the O-rings was bad, and that's why I was leaking brake fluid. So yeah, hopefully, you know, this is the end of everything, can get the car running, because I have some Supra I need a gap, and some DE owners too.
Hey man, this thing's gonna be quick.
You learn the lesson the hard way the first time, and you go ahead and you just shoot it on here, and you pop one out, and you can't get the rest of them out, so you gotta like stage it.
There's levels to it.
Yes, very much so. Make sure you wear your safety glasses.
All this brake stuff, I have no idea what's going on. I'm just staring like, oh, that's cool. It made a pop noise. Like awesome.
More. We just got one more to get out. See the last one to shoot at if you want. It's gonna come out pretty good. It should. There it goes. So now you're kind of to a point where this side of the car is going to
Bite super hard.
brake easier, and then all the pistons will go back in easier as well.
So I see myself coming back to you for the other calipers.
There'll definitely be a difference. I mean, you may not be able to tell it at first, but this side will probably wear less on your pads too, compared to the other sides.
Look at me, always learning, bro. See, if I didn't do the VR swap, I wouldn't be doing any of this crap. Because I probably wouldn't have messed that up.
You're right, you gotta make those mistakes to learn.
Exactly, bro. See, I like your positivity, bro. Thank you. Shimmy, stop distracting me, okay? So he's going as far as doing things that are important for braking. I have no idea what just happened.
That's right, very important for braking.
Yeah, there we go. He put the metal things in the other metal thing with the rubber thing that holds the metal things.
You started it about the tires.
Hey, look, first of all, don't put me on blast on camera, okay? I'm just gonna edit it out, right?
That's what happened when you saw the tires.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I need tires. I'll show you guys the update once it's up and good to go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave his Instagram down below. If you guys are in the area, I mean Carrollton, Atlanta, Villa Rica, where else? What else is close by here? I don't know this area.
Douglasville.
Oh, see, Douglasville. Yes. Okay, there we go. Yeah, places, bro. Places. If you're in places, definitely check him out. I'm gonna leave his Instagram link down below, because on a random Saturday to get this kind of help, I appreciate it, bro. If you don't follow him and subscribe or do any of that, I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna... What am I gonna do, Shimmy?
Knowing you, there's no telling.
I'm gonna tickle them.
You gonna tickle them until they fart?
Yes. I'm gonna steal their car and powder coat it for them. There we go. See, why are you so gross, dude? Dude, finally.
Definitely don't want that.
Okay, so I definitely asked him to ugga-dugga the hell out of it so that way it doesn't come off again, but dude, yes, finally, we're back. So now all I have to do is just put it back on the car, bleed it, and pray that, you know, we're still good. Maybe it won't happen to another caliper. I don't know. Stay tuned, dude. Are you ready? Are you excited? Me too.
Yeah.
All right, so you want to bleed my brakes?
No.
Okay, fine. I missed the gear so bad. Jeez, random Audi. One, two, three. Jesus. I keep missing fifth. Ah, shit. Well, looks like I got my gears. Oof. Trans is done. Alright, so I actually have to be careful because literally I need to adjust my shifter plate because I cannot get into fifth properly. And then also my clutch started to get a little soft, which was scary, but at the same time I'm not really, well, no, I don't know. So I'm gonna check my fluid and everything because I don't know if I'm gonna leave in that video from the GoPro of my gears grinding, of me trying to get into sixth gear. But yeah, that was bad. I had to let it cool down and then finally I could drive again. So I'm just gonna limp it home and call it a day. But whoever that was in the Audi, man, good runs. He got the hit and I was like, oh crap, I thought I was gonna get gapped. And then I missed fifth and I was like, oh my God. And it still started pulling, so I'm just happy with how this car's performing without even getting dynoed yet. But yeah, hopefully you guys are liking these runs and stuff, man. Yeah, because I'm totally having a bunch of fun. You guys sure already know, I'm not gonna stay down for a long time. So caliper, went ahead and re-bled it last night. Didn't film it, just put it on just because I'm not gonna make you guys just watch me bleed calipers, but hopefully we can get some festivities going for today. First, your boy needs to get a haircut, but we're gonna head out. But hopefully we can link up with Chris Price and get some fun and maybe some fun runs, because I kind of want to test this car against a Q. But yeah, you know how it is. We about to do that typical YouTuber stuff. Oh God. Okay, so we came out here just to do a little shoot, and I'm gonna end the video right here. So at least we got the brakes fixed, everything's good to go. Now I can finally start getting some runs in. But yeah, we're finally doing like a little kind of photo shoot thing. Everybody, oh, I'm in the shot. If you guys do like the video, if you guys are hyped, just make sure you hit that like button, because it does help expose the channel. You guys have been showing mad love recently, a lot of subscribers. Thank you guys. Hit that sub button. I love you. Stay blessed. I'll see you guys in the next one.